Everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna replace the valve cover gasket and the main crank PCV hose that run underneath the intake manifold. I'm gonna stop the talking and let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and clear up this entire section right here. The intake, let's go ahead and remove that. It's a 7, I got an 8. Alright, so 8 mil. Let's go ahead and remove the 10mm nut right there.
With frost, cold night and the winter.
Get the intake off. So let's go ahead and pick it right up. Alright, the intake is off. What else? We're gonna need to disconnect all these little pipes right here. So let's go ahead and loosen those and remove all these, get them out the way. I have a little hose pit that I could use to pry it off. Let's clear it up a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and get the other one. Right here, let's go ahead and remove that. Get it out the way. Alright, we'll be able to move our core packs out the way. Alright, make sure you're not caught on anything. Alright. While we're there, we got some anti-rattle tape we're gonna put in that area. So let's go ahead and just cover up any exposed wires right here. Save yourself from future issues. Okay. So make sure you add a lot. Snip that. Right there. I like to cover up the turbo hole right here, make sure nothing falls in that section. So let's go ahead and loosen this side right here. Right. Get your little pick and work your way underneath. Slowly work the hose off. Next, you want to go ahead and release this little T30 that's located right on the valve cover. I only have one inside right now. It's supposed to be 2, but just keep one. Next, go ahead and lift all the core packs up. I have a little pick, so that's what I'm going to use. Kind of help guide me up. So now we're going to put them on top. While we there, we could probably double check our spark plugs too.
Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose bleed. High on whatever they sold. That's the old.
So you can just kindly just bend this out the way, like put it right here. Alright, and then this you gotta squeeze it to remove, and just tuck that underneath the cylinder head. Okay, got everything. So now what we have left is just T25s on top. We're gonna have to remove those. So we're gonna be using a snap-on gun. We're gonna have to remove. And just like that, we'll be able to get it out. Overall, inside of it don't look bad. Not at all. the seals still look like they're holding up pretty well. Yep, everything looks good on my end. But let me show you guys where the old valve cover was leaking from. So when I smoke tested, it was leaking from around this area right here. The area right here when I smoke tested. Guess it wasn't getting properly sealed, wasn't being properly sealed around this area, and I have a leak in the hose. So we got a new one that we're gonna replace it with, so we're gonna see. But I'm gonna reuse this gasket right here. This one I'm gonna reuse. The valve cover gasket I'm not gonna reuse. I'm actually gonna send this back to FCP, so this could be warranted. So this is going back to FCP. I'm just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, write up everything, and ship it back to them. So let's put this on the side right here. This gasket we're gonna reuse, and I don't know, we have a new oil cap, so we're probably not gonna reuse this one. So this is junk right here. This is garbage. So let's put it off to the side. Let's put that off to the side. Let's go ahead and clean this up just a little bit.
Still trying to figure out the line. Looking for the love inside me.
Nice little white. Alright, this piece we could take off. We don't really need this. That's junk. Alright. Go ahead and get your gasket back on. Alright. And they sent me some stickers too. That's cool. Hell yeah. Go ahead and open that up. Before you put it on, get some compressed air and just blow around it. So we just put some oil on the gasket a little bit, so it slips in real easy.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love.
Just work your way around and make sure everything's sitting flush. Now you can go ahead and get it back on the car. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just spray some multi-purpose grease right here so that back hose slide on real easy. Just on those two hoses. Found it. Got it right here. So I just gotta follow it.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love.
Alright, next we can go ahead and get this piece back on. We can put that portion back in. Let's go ahead and get these screws back in. They're T25, so once you get one caught, it shouldn't be that bad, honestly. So you want to be really gentle with this ratchet. Down there. Now we could go in with our ratchets and double check it. I don't want to over tighten these. These screws are really light, so. Okay, that one is good. That one is good. That one is good. Check this last one. That one is also good.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, fall in love, fall in love, fall in love, fall in love.
Everything is connected. We got this hose underneath that we have to change because last time when we smoke tested, it was leaking from right here. So I have a replacement hose. We have a replacement hose right here from United Motorsports. So we're gonna put it on the car. We're gonna take this one off and then we're gonna compare them and see. So let's jump to that right now. Okay. Got that portion loose. So let's go ahead and get it out, snip it out. Gotta kind of twist it to get it out.
Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh.
Here it goes. I tried to fix it right there when it was leaking, but that didn't work, unfortunately, because it was still leaking. Let's make a comparison. They honestly look the same. I'm not gonna lie. They both look the same. It's not bad. And this is definitely a stronger silicone hose from what I'm seeing. Alright. Alright. What I like to do, I like to get some lubricant spray. Just lube it up a little bit so when you slide it on, everything goes on real smooth. So this is all lubricant spray right here. Alright, so I just got the hose installed. That shit was a bitch to put on. I used some lubricant spray so it slip on a lot easier for me. And now I just gotta put a clamp there. The clamp, that it came with 2 clamps. I already put one on and I pushed it down, so it's just sitting on top. If you look, it's not gonna come off. It's really sitting on there, so you should be good. But I'm still gonna put a clamp up top. Get your clamp on. Right there. Clamp. And tape back on. So I just literally installed a valve cover and I fixed my shifter. I installed a broken PCV pipe that was broken from last time. So what we have to do now is just go ahead and probably just give it a start and see if she run good. Was not that bad at all. We have more stuff that we have to install, but we have to take the intake manifold off soon to install the runner flops delete. And when we do that, we should be able to get to the bottom PCV hose and make sure it's extremely snug onto the pipe. But for now it should be good because when I give it a little tug, it's not coming apart, so that should be good for now. Peace, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.